Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn After Effects software and how to make 2D animation using After Effects. Let's start by installing the software first. You can set the location where you want, or you can just let it get installed in default location, that is C drive. It may take some time to get installed. You can download it from any web browser by typing download After Effects 2020 pre-cracked. It may take time to open depending on your system configuration. Okay, so here how it looks when we open it for the first time. It will ask you to open new project, or you can continue on your previous work. Let's start a new project. Now this is what it show you next. Here is file, edit and all. Let's set new composition. You can name your composition as you like. I set it as composition 1. Make the width as 1920 and height as 1080. This is standard resolution we mainly use. Set the frame rate as 24 frames per second. Start time code is the time from where the timeline starts. Duration is the middle length of the timeline. This is your video preview panel. By holding spacebar, you can see the hand icon. That means you can move the screen as you want. This is our timeline, which is starting from 0 to 10 seconds as we mentioned before in our composition setting. You can see the values here. You can make changes in composition from here whenever you need. Now let's create new solid by pressing right click here. Let's keep it white and name it as background. From here, you can zoom it or zoom out your view panel and set back it to make fit on screen as normal.